What is going on, you guys? Like, so 1999 on YouTube. As you know, I'm still doing the wood saga, as I call it. Trying to get enough logs for, well, so I can have a plank plant. But as you know, once again, I run out! So now I can sit there and say this. Oh no! Oh no! But on top of that, I at least have the car factory one kind of done. Or one stage of it. I mean, it's better to... Wait a minute. Oh. It is at this moment I realize I bleeped up. Hey! And I could go look for another locomotive. Let's see, what does he want now? Let me guess, copper. Oh. Well, I have enough of those. The only problem is, a lot of the trains I have are not upgraded to pull as much. I'm gonna see if I can get some more logs. I just hope it's enough. Because, so I could just have this over with. Oh, come on! There. But yeah, we are having a wood shortage right now. Wood shortage, let's see what else. We don't have any cash. I will say I really hope that I qualify for these final for this online tournament for this in this game, because all I know is the last group I was at in the other profile, we didn't do that hot. I kind of left that group mostly because, well, I wanted to make my own, but just part of me didn't want to do it yet. All right, time to go get more wood. Even if there's only 5 logs. Hey! I'm not doing that. Sorry, I'm not doing microtransactions. That I refuse. I refuse to do microtransactions. Ah! We're so close. Let's go! Finally! No more of this 10,000 logs you need in order to make this thing. It's taken way too many logs and way too much time. A lot of it, I actually did a lot of it off camera because it took way too long for me to do. And it kept driving me nuts. So nuts, in fact, I thought I was going to lose my mind. And now you probably have to say, why didn't just have the, well, factory just make them the other way? Well, I could, but I was like, you know what? I went the straight of running that area of the lumber mill out so I can make planks on this section. It's just so much easier. There we go. Nice. Well, I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode of my pain and misery of having the wood shortage. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.